Hey everyone, today I have a pretty interesting comforter. This is actually a cooling comforter, so conversely to those of us who live in colder climates, comforters usually keep us warm, but this one is to keep us cool. So this is founded based on some Japanese technology where their summers can get really hot, but they still want a comforter, so this is what they have. This would just be a quick unboxing and first look video. After removing it from the box, which it will never fit in again, there is also a plastic bag and also a piece of paper rounding it up. So the size I have here is for the queen size bed. They do come in several other different sizes and also different colors. This one I have is obviously in the gray color. There's also tags on here that basically summarize what was on the box. These are machine washable. Also printed on here is the return and exchange policy. So I mentioned the size I got was for the queen size. It is measuring at 79 inches by 86 inches, which may be a little bit on the small size if you were trying to cover a bigger person or two bigger people. So you may want to size up depending on your needs. But taking a look at the fabric here, one side is clearly more matte while the other side is more glossy. So this can be kind of a dual purpose comforter. It's not going to be as warm as, say, something that's filled with like feathers or wool. The stuffing in here is polyester, so overall this is definitely a cooling comforter, but one side at least will give you more cooling power versus the other one will help you retain more body heat. Something I noticed right off the bat, and also some other reviewers have noticed, is that the stitching appears to be a little bit uneven. I mean, it's very evident just comparing the edge of the comforter to the actual stitching. It definitely does look a little bit on the crooked side, but we'll have to see how well these stitches actually hold up over time. This is just an unboxing and first look video. But anyways, I think this is a pretty novel product. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the link in the description.